Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining me for today's episode of Crafting with Class. Today I'm bringing you the Diamond Press Fall Gift Card Kit, and this is what it makes. It pulls up to reveal a gift card, so let me show you all the deets. So of course with Diamond Press you get the instructions, and I forgot that this came with the little cauldron. Oh my gosh, I wish I would have done this for Halloween, but there's next year. So these are the stamps and dies that you get with it. So you get, as I mentioned, the two options, the cauldron or what we're going to do today. These are the stamps. So there's the little barrel stamp, and then you get all kinds of little sentiment stamps that coordinate with either the cauldron or the little what is that, barrel? So I've got everything ready. I stamped the back and the front of the barrel and then the little pocket as well, so everything would kind of coordinate. And I cut all the pieces out. Here is the little tag that you pull up, and then some other little pieces that I think I may need. I used the Fawn stitched leaves for that, so the small and the regular set. Love these for fall especially. And so I have all my pieces, so let's get started. All right, so I like to lay out all the pieces that I need to glue on first so that I know where everything should go. And these definitely have a right way and a wrong way that they should go, so I think it's a good idea to lay them out. For the panels that go in the middle, it could be hard to know where they go exactly, but if you line them up to the sides at the very end, that's the best way to do it. So just put it onto your little barrel and then line up the ends or the edges of the barrel, and then you'll see exactly where they go. So that was really, really helpful. So there is the little barrel. Look at how cute. All right, so now for the pocket where the gift card is going to go. So I'm going to take my bone folder and I'm going to fold in all the crease lines that the die creates for you. So I'm going to fold them really well. I'm going to add some adhesive to those tabs, and you want to attach this to the back of the barrel, kind of centered in bottom. And then I'm going to take my paperweight and I'm going to place that, so to hold that down, I'm going to let that set. So here's a little tag. When you cut this out, it cuts off the notches that you will need so that you can tuck in your gift card, and then the little apples go right in place because you can see along the side kind of where the apples should line up. You want to be careful though to make sure not to put glue where those little tabs are, because otherwise the gift card is not going to go into those little slots. So I'm going to go ahead and I just grabbed this gift card I have here. I'm going to put it in just to make sure that I am not accidentally gluing down where, it's not supposed to be. But what I realized later on is that if you put the glue on the tag and not on the apples, then you will know exactly where they should go. And you won't get any glue on those little slits. And by the way, yes, I'm totally in my Hogwarts pajamas here. And the Band-Aid will tell you this is the first of the cooking season trauma. So let's just say the score for now is Oven 1 and Carly 0. Let's get back to the card. So I'm going to go ahead and put the little leaves on top of the apples, and I'm just trying to figure out, do they look better behind the apple or in front of the apple? And it really doesn't matter. Now I did the same thing to the back so that the front and the back both looked nice, and so I'm just putting the leaves of the back apples and I'm lining them up with the leaves from the front of the apples. So easy peasy, so that both sides look nice, because you will see both sides. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. Okay, so got that done. So look at how cute. And that tucks in really tight. So just be careful with that. This is one of the sentiments that comes in the stamp set. You get all the little pieces as well. So I'm going to put the little stem of the apple, and then I'm going to attach this little leaf as well. And I did kind of cut around because it doesn't have like an apple shape. It has like a round circle, and I went ahead and just cut around it so it was an apple shape as well. So I'm going to slide in that little tag, and so there you can see how it pulls out. So it slides in and out really, really easy. Like, how easy is this interactive die set? Super, super cute. So I'm going to take these leaves from Lawn Fawn and I'm just going to arrange them behind the little apple just to give them an even more like fall festive look. And I die cut those and inked them up just to bring out more detail. And I did that to the apples and everything else. I think that is a cute look. All right, so I'm going to pop up the little apple on some foam tape, foam squares, and then arrange the little last leaf underneath the apple. Look how cute. I mean, this could not be more easy. And I'm going to just make sure everything's glued down all the way. And then I'm going to add some final details. So I took my brown memento pen and I'm just adding those little like rivets, you know, those little nails that hold everything in. So just a little detail that I like to add to things. Now, I did add one more apple to the bottom because you could see the gift card, a little bit of the gift card. So just to kind of hide that gift card. So it was a total surprise. I added one more little apple. All right, so let's take a look. Now on the tag, I did go ahead and stamp "You're the best" on the front, and then gift, or what is it, just for you and happy Thanksgiving on the back. And then this is not the gift card I'm going to gift, but just to show you, you tuck in the gift card into the slits and they are a little snug. So just be careful. And then go ahead and tuck it right into the pocket. Look how cute, like so, so cute. So just for you, thanks a bunch. And this is adorable. I definitely will use this again. Now, if we wanted to go ahead and attach it to a card, this is how it would fit on an A2 card base. So as you can see, it's snug, but it definitely fits. Now, if you want more room, then I would say use an A7 or a 5x7 card. And so here you can see it probably looks a little bit better. And if you want to keep the gift card, you can just pop this up on dimensionals, and then the person will be able to slide the gift card out still. So this is just another option. So here is the final project. I think it's so cute and it's so, so easy. Happy Thanksgiving to those of us in the States who are celebrating. And just thank you so much as always for watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. Thank you, thank you, thank you every single day. Until next time, bye.